This time from Andhra Pradesh, Dr. Ambedkar Konasama district is where this massive gas leak has occurred. A massive gas leak has occurred in Irusamanda village in Malkipuram Mandal, with gas gushing out heavily. This has happened in an ONGC plant is what we understand. Villagers have been found to be in a state of panic. My colleague Uma Sudhir joins us with more details on this. Uma, where did this exactly happen and how was the district administration looking at this?
So like you mentioned, this happened in Irusamanda village in Malkipuram Mandal of B.R. Ambedkar Konasima district of Andhra Pradesh. This is where the ONGC has its operations, and whether it is a gas pipe or a naturally occurring gas that erupted is not very clear. But what we understand is that it's a blowout incident that happened during re-drilling or workover operations by a private contractor who's been identified as Deep Industries. And we are told that not just gas but crude oil had also come out very furiously, and subsequently fire also blew up, and it was raging to a very high altitude, because of which there was panic in the village. So evacuation of about 3 villages nearby has happened. The district collector, the SP, as well as the ONGC emergency teams and the fire department are at work trying to control. I just spoke to the SP, Mr. Rahul Meena, and he said that this gas pipe has been isolated, which means that no more gas may flow into that particular region. So therefore, we could expect in some time the fire can be brought down. What I should point out is that about 30 years ago, what we call as the in that very place where the Pasarlapudi, which was a very infamous incident that raged on for several days together. That kind of an incident is what people are reminded of, because they are recalling that in the month of August as well there was a fire in a similar manner, and therefore they are very worried and panicky. But the district administration has asked people not to be in the nearby areas, even in terms of what usually happens as a disaster tourism, because it is very spectacular to look at. So people tend to come to that area, but people have been asked to stay away there, and hopefully the fire will be brought under control.
Right.